What's up, guys? It is 2021 and I am back with another video. Okay, guys, so today I'm going to be dyeing my hair. I have my hair sectioned off in parts right now, as you can tell, and they're pretty detangled, so let's get to it. So it comes with the hair color, the cream gel hair color, conditioner, and some oil, argan oil treatment. I'm doing this on not washed hair, so yeah, see how this goes. Alright, so first we're gonna put on the gloves. Now we're going to pour this in here. So we're gonna cover this up by hand and shake. Okay, it's shaking pretty good. And now I'm just going to do the start with the bottom part of the hair first. Yeah, that's normally how people do it. So I'm gonna take a little. The mixture looks white. Okay. So guys, if you see me making like weird faces with my eyes, it's because this stuff is actually like very strong. It's making my eyes like burn. It always is strong like that, to be honest. I've used their brand multiple times before, and I always stick with their brand because, you know, it never brings me damage or anything. So yeah. Okay guys, I will be back once I get this side done. I'm basically done with this side. I'm gonna add a little bit more on here, but you know, I'm basically done with this side. But I'll come back when I'm on the next side, because I'll come back when I'm done with my whole head, putting the dye on it, because like the stuff is pretty burny. It burns my eyes. Yeah, okay. So, see you guys then. Okay guys, I am back. I put it everywhere, I think. Should I like put some extra in there just to make sure it's in everywhere? I think it is everywhere. I don't want to overdo it. But I put it in these little ponytails. Okay, let me just add a little bit more. I'm gonna put this little cap on, and I'm gonna come back like in 45 minutes, I think, 30 to 45 minutes. That's it. Put that on there. And I'll be back. See you then. Okay, guys, I took off the plastic thing, hair back, whatever, and it is the color I am looking for, which is this is how it looks. This is the brown color. I left it in for 45 minutes, I think. Yeah, this is the color. As you can tell, it's the back. It's just like, you know, I wanted it. So now I am getting ready to rinse it out, and I will show you guys it when it's rinsed. So I'll see you guys then. So, and I am back. I rinsed it out and I put in this, I forgot what it's called, intensive conditioning treatment. And this will stay in for 10 to 15 minutes. I put it in while I was showering or whatever. I gotta rinse it out, but this is how it looks fully rinsed of the other stuff. My hair does not feel dry at all. It actually feels very moisturized. I told you guys, this Creme Nature dye actually tends to be very hydrating and actually does the hair wonders. Look, nice. Okay, girl's looking good. I'm looking good. And yeah. Okay guys, I think I'm going to rinse this out because I had this in here for like so many minutes now. You know, doesn't hurt. And then after that, I'm going to put this in my hair. So I'll be back. And I am back. I'm back. Okay guys, and my hair, you can't really see it, but I'm gonna insert a photo. I'm gonna insert a photo right here. Okay guys, that is how my hair looks. I'm going to style it. I'm going to use this oil if I can get it open, because normally I can get these little things open every time I use their dye, which is about every year or so. So I'm going to use this, and I'm going to put it on my scalp and stuff. But look how good this brown hair looks on me. Like, do you need to see another picture of me with this brown hair? I think you do. Look. Yeah, it looked good. It's Mr. Steel Man, It's Mr. Steel Man, Bottoms up. Just kidding. Okay guys, but for real. Yeah. My hair looks nice. So I'm going to twist it up. I'm not gonna show you guys that. I'll come back once it is styled. I think I'm gonna do that. Okay guys, see you in a minute. Now I am back. My hair is all twisted up, still partially wet because I twisted it and styled it. So I'll be back when it's dry, which is tomorrow, and I will show you guys how it looks. Look at the color. Yeah, okay guys, so see you then. And guys, it is the next day. I undid all my twists, and this is the final look of the color. That is the final look. So yeah. And yeah, so thank you guys for watching Naturally Glamorous, and I'll see you guys next week. Peace.